Hey there, Steve and Chris. Just wanted to say thank you so much for allowing me to send you this video. My name is Joelle and I'm with Zoe SEO and Web Design. Basically, I just wanted to show you the three main things that Google is looking for when a search is made, especially in regards to electrical services in Los Angeles. This will help you to begin to outrank your competitors on Google, and it looks as though your website is still under construction. So it'll show you how to build your website with the right content. So ultimately, it will bring in the customers and that revenue from the use of your website. So you're probably wondering why I'm making this video for you. I'm a small business owner myself, and so I've learned that most small business owners are too busy taking care of their customers that they just don't have the time to learn how to make the internet and the use of their website work for them and bring in them more customers. So I found that when I'm able to create these videos and give them away for free, a lot of business owners will take what I have shared with them and do it themselves, which would be great. And it seems to be at perfect timing since your website is still under construction. So then other times, business owners will just give me a call back and ask me to do it for them. So whatever you want to do is totally cool with me, although I would love to help you out if I can. In this video, I'm going to talk about the three main things involved with search engine optimization, or SEO. This is what gets you to the top and on that first page of Google. So these three components are content, backlinks, and citations. Implementing these three will be what gets those potential customers to your site and you seen on Google. The first thing we need to do is make sure that you have a lot of content. The average website that ends up on the first page of Google should have about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. This is all the text, your titles, and what all of your images are saved as. The first thing we want to do is get you more content than your competitor so you can blow them out of the water. Within the content, you want to make sure that you have buyer intent key search terms or words. A keyword is just a phrase someone types into Google. Buyer intent means they need the service and they're not just wanting to look at an image or learn about something. So, for example, if I type in electrician Los Angeles, this is a key search, buyer intent key search term. And this is something that you would want to add into your content to make sure that you are found when a search is made. You can also save the titles and the descriptions of your pages and your images as keywords. It will all help you rank. So your content is number one. The content within your website is number one. Number two is backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to you. This is really important. Google ranks your value on the authority those other websites give you. Google wants to see a bunch of trustworthy companies vouching for your company. Now, keep in mind, though, they want to see relevant links, which means it will give you a lot more power if you have another electrical company linking to you instead of, say, a Pizza Hut. So the tool I use to see how a website is ranking in Google is called Ahrefs. And this tool, I put you in the tool here. This tool shows me the amount of keywords that you are ranking for and the amount of backlinks your website has. Currently, you have 13 other websites linking to you, giving power to 24 backlinks. When I look for electrical services in Los Angeles, your top competitor here has 484 websites linking to them, giving power to 10,000 backlinks. So what you need to do is copy them. If these websites linking to them are good enough to get them to the top, then they are good enough for you. Just visit all 484 of those websites and put a link or a few on each of them that links back to your home page or one of your service pages. Most of the time, you can just create a profile and add a link in the profile or put a comment somewhere. So then if you add your URL to all of these websites here and a few more, and you add the necessary content, this is how you're going to beat your competitor in Google search organically. Now, if you want to beat your competitor with ads, then you'll need to bid higher than these guys. And if you want to beat your competitor in the map section, you need more citations than these guys. A citation is anywhere where your business's name, address, and phone number is listed in different directories. A directory would be a website like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, etc. That will allow you to list this information. So find out where these top competitors are listed, then add your business's information to more directories than they have. So this is a quick overview. I hope you found it helpful and informative. I tried to keep it short and to the point. Basically, for a quick recap, you want to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content, especially on your home page here. You want to have more websites linking to you than your competitor. And then you want to list your business's name, address, and phone number in as many directories and more than your top search competitor. And if you follow these tips, this is how you'll become #1 across the top of the Google search results. I recommend you get started soon. It does take time to implement these changes. All of this, and the sooner that you get started, the sooner you'll start profiting from your website. So if you have any questions, or you simply do not have the time to do any of this and you would want some help, please feel free to give me a call. My number is at the bottom of the email. I would love to help you out. And all I ask is that you please just give me some feedback of what you thought of this video. Thank you so much, and I look forward to hearing from you.